What's up, my friends? It's Mr. O. I'm in the kitchen, and we're gonna learn how to count to 10. Let's go. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know what you wanted to say when we got to 6, right? You wanted to say 6, 7. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What about backwards? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? If you can do that, then you win. You'll come back another time and count to 20. Because that's plenty. Let's go. Yeah, because you are the leaders of the homeschool with Mr. O.